everyone. Friday morning, day before the big storm. We got a project we just closed on yesterday over in Taunton. It's a condo, 2-bedroom, one bath. This project was unreal to get closed. I can't reiterate enough on dealing with lenders that you're familiar with. This property took, I would say, 6 to 8 weeks to close on. It was only supposed to take 3 to 4 weeks. The paperwork got messed up numerous times. Then on top of it all, when they decided to close it, they then informed me that I needed another, I think it was $23,000 to close with funds due to it being a assignment. Now, an assignment, that is when you buy a property through a wholesale. This property was owned by or negotiated with a nationwide wholesaler. Basically, the lender did not inform me that they only appropriate 20% over the original contract purchase price. So, more or less, you have to come up with the money or you lose your deposit, which is not good when you're talking $5 grand. Now, luckily we had the money to get the property closed on time yesterday. With dealing with attorneys that you're not familiar with and lenders, it can get very aggravating. To have a team that a real estate agent that you're working with is familiar with always has a benefit. And this property, we were bound to working with attorneys from out of state. They weren't familiar with Massachusetts real estate laws. Lender that we were working with on this, we've worked with them before, but it was a different team of underwriters and so on and so forth. It's very important if you're looking to deal with a real estate agent that he has a team established so you don't run into unforeseen issues. I can't reiterate that enough. But stay tuned. We got a new project, some new footage coming out with this condo that's going to be over here in Taunton, Mass. Talk to you soon.